Dr. DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with another Dollar Tree haul, quick sticker and rub-on haul. So this one, I decided to get, I've seen it before, but it's the summer one, and it's got stand be a flamingo and a lack of pigeons. Enjoy your trip, best summer holidays. So just some little things about being a flamingo in the summer. And I can't remember if I had the happy birthday one. I think I do, but I know I had several rub-on sets. And then this one says hug, I love mom, joy, family, blessings, and stuff like that. And I got 2 of those. Then Miss Little Scrappy is the one who set me on this shenanigans. She had sent us on the group text and was showing us some stamps she got. So I had to go run to my $3 Dollar Trees and see what they had. So these are the ones that I got. I got 2 of these. They had the colorblind one. I guess they jumping on the bandwagon like everybody else. It says be colorblind, and it's just a hand's love, making magic happen, and on the back as well. So I got 2 of those. Got the coffee one, espresso yourself. I don't give a frappe. Sip. I don't give a sip. So yeah, so that's the coffee one, which I thought was really cute. You can see the pictures on Instagram. I got 2 of those. And then this one is heal yourself, born to shine, girls never lose, no bad vibes, cool to be a kid, donuts. And this is the girl power one. The lipsticks and the sneakers and the donuts and the headphones. Another one got donuts and diamonds and don't care, go away, fries before guys, no rules, I love me. So we get into some of your local farmhouse. You got your rooster, your cows, your bull. And then you got another one. There's 2 of these 2 I thought were the same, but they're different because they have that same truck on the corner, but they're actually different. This has got milk, homemade with love. And this one doesn't have any words on it, but it's got the hearts and the trucks. So you got more trucks on this one than hearts, but you still got your florals as well. And this one says good things ahead, hanging there. You got this, and if you go back to the Dollar Tree, which I'll post the pictures on my Instagram, they actually have the large one that you can put on your like laptop or water bottle or your mirrors. And you grow girl, good things, be bold. You've got this, keep moving forward. They have those as well. Just hanging there in the large print, like with just the words, so you can put up the side of your mirror or whatever. So a lot of the word sentiments from off of this, they have them in isolation that you can use on your mirrors and stuff. And this one's donuts, coffee, llamas, and unicorns up there too. Cats have hope. We are all one. We are stronger together. This too shall pass. We're in this together. You got the rainbow and the earth. Hello, lovely, shine bright, love you to the moon and back, sparkle. Follow your heart. Virtual hug, let's do this. You got this. Have a good day. I believe in you. Do it. Good vibes only. So you got that. And then I got 2 of these because I thought these are just good to have. You know, all of your labels. I mean, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that's 30 and 30. Well, yep, so you got 60. Yep, so you got 60 sentiments for $1. Not sentiments, labels for $1. You know, and it's broken up in some, and like all your food and stuff for your kitchen. Just nice stuff like that. So I just thought it was pretty cool to have. You can, you know, gift this or use this in your house. Got candles, paper goods, even batteries, dog treats, cookies, cake decoration, baby food, storage bags, condiments, soups, breads, everything. So anyway, that's the new Dollar Tree sticker set that they got out. So hopefully you'll be able to find some of those. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.